Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, for the first day of high school football season, it kind of feels like football weather out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we had a front go through after several days of warm and dry weather. We saw temperatures drop down yesterday with that cloudy day into the 70s. And behind that front here today, this morning, when the skies have cleared and a little bit of fog has developed, we got temperatures that have dipped down into the 40s. We got the coolest reading out there in Colorado at 42 in Lyman. We got 48 in Burlington. We got 51 in Goodland, 49 in Colby, 48 in Oberlin, 50 here in Atwood, and 54 in Norton. Winds are virtually calm, and with that clear sky, calm winds, that's what's developing that fog, as our dew points are right around that upper 40s as well. We got drier air that'll be moving in today as that high pressure starts building out in the Rockies and expanding over the plains later this afternoon and over the weekend. That'll push our afternoon temperatures into that 80 to 85 degree range. Our winds will turn to a south direction at around 10 miles per hour. So tonight for those football games, we'll start off right around 80 degrees. By the end of the game, we'll be in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, and those winds will continue to be light from that south direction at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So it is fall-like, perfect type weather for football. And then as we head to the weekend, we'll start to see things warm up and then heading towards a warm and dry period through the weekend and for much of next week. We're going to see weekend temperatures on Saturday right around 85 degrees, around 90 degrees on Sunday, and then that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday period when that high pressure and ridge is over the plains, we're going to see temperatures in the 90 to 95 degree range. So it's going to be unseasonably warm, probably our last round of 90 degree weather. Lows will be in the middle to upper 50s to around that 60 degrees, and the winds will continue to be light from a south direction. As we're looking for rain chances and getting wheat planted and how do we alleviate the drought conditions that we're experiencing across the area, we need to look to a frontal boundary and an upper level trough that'll start breaking that ridge down Thursday. It'll move into the northwest, move through the northern plains on Friday. A cold front will drag through our area in a Colorado low Friday evening. That's when we'll see our first round of chances for shower and storm activity. It looks pretty decent with that frontal boundary. And then we'll see another disturbance quickly come behind that as a short wave out of Colorado Sunday evening over the weekend. So we'll have two chances of rain in our extended forecast there Friday evening and Sunday evening. They both look like some thunderstorms that'll be working out of Colorado. Potential for maybe some severe weather. And our temperatures will fall into the 80s and be more seasonal there over the weekend behind that front on Friday. And then we look for our lows to be in the middle 50s. And then looking further out past the extended forecast, it does look like there is a couple more waves coming from the west and northwest. One could cut off by the end of the month, and that would lead to wetter and cooler conditions to end the month of September and start October.
Once again, that's ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.